Hello, my name is Debbie Letcher. I'm the General Manager with Waconia Ford, your hometown Ford dealer since 1925. As a female General Manager that has been in the business for over 35 years, respect and dignity will be afforded to all. You have my guarantee, regardless of race, religion, or gender, all will be treated equally, which is evident by our above average rating on Google and our many charitable donations and affiliations. We understand the importance of protecting our identity and protecting the earth. Here are some of the steps that we are taking to ensure this happens. First, your information is secure with us. All personal information is secured in locked cabinets. Once completed, all of our paperwork is scanned into a cloud-based secured website, and physical copies are then shredded by a secured third party. We electronically contract or e-contract 95% of our transactions. Our financial partners and all of us here at Waconia Ford believe in less paper being used means less information at risk of being stolen. Give me a call at 952-994-1459, or you can email me at dletcher@waconiaford.com.